Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for every car owner: engine oil maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just starting to learn about vehicle care, understanding how engine oil works and why it matters can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. Segment 1: What does engine oil do? First, let's talk about what engine oil actually does for your car. Lubrication and friction reduction. Engine oil creates a protective layer between moving metal parts inside your engine. This reduces friction, which is the main culprit behind wear and tear. Heat management. Did you know your engine generates extreme heat during operation? While the coolant handles most of it, oil also plays a crucial role by absorbing and transferring heat away from components, cleaning the engine as it circulates. Oil collects dust, debris, and even combustion residues. These impurities are trapped by the oil filter, keeping your engine clean and running smoothly. Corrosion prevention. Modern oils contain additives that protect your engine's metal parts from harmful acids and corrosion. Simply put, engine oil is the unsung hero of your car's performance. Segment 2: Why regular oil changes matter. Now, let's discuss why regular oil changes are so important. Here are the key benefits. Extended engine life. Old, dirty oil can cause wear and tear. Fresh oil keeps your engine running longer. Improved fuel efficiency. A well-lubricated engine works more efficiently, which means you'll save on fuel. Cost savings. Regular oil changes prevent costly repairs by reducing engine damage and wear. Environmental benefits. High-quality engine oil can lower emissions, helping both the planet and your car's compliance with regulations. Segment 3: What happens if you neglect oil changes? If you skip oil changes, here's what can happen. Lower fuel efficiency due to increased friction. Overheating, since contaminated oil can't dissipate heat effectively. Sludge buildup, which clogs oil passages and restricts flow. And worst of all, severe engine damage that can lead to costly repairs or even engine replacement. Segment 4: Engine oil maintenance tips. So, how can you take care of your engine oil properly? Here are some tips. Check your oil regularly. Use the dipstick to check the level and color. If it's too low or looks dirty, it's time for a change. Stick to your car's schedule. Follow the oil change interval recommended in your owner's manual. Use the right oil. Not all oils are the same. Check your car's manual for the recommended grade and type. Replace the oil filter. A clean oil filter is just as important as clean oil for your engine's health. Engine oil is like the lifeblood of your car. Keeping it fresh and clean is one of the easiest yet most effective ways to ensure your car runs smoothly for years to come. If you have any questions about oil maintenance or anything car-related, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.